Hello, a very good morning, Delhi. It's your boy Midnight. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day for Messi Mania. And I'm here at Arun Jaitley Stadium. As you can see, the city is buzzing. The Messi Go Tour is finally here in New Delhi. As you know, it's the last stop in India. So we're going to chat with the fans, talk to them what expectations they are coming with, what's really going through their mind. And it's going to be an amazing day, as you can tell.
कपड़ा उतार के फेंक दो.
I saw the first World Cup with my father in 2006. Then after that, I followed. I watched the first Barcelona versus UCL match with Manchester United in 2011. Then since then on, I became a fan of Messi, and I've been following with my friends. These are my childhood friends only. So we have been Messi fans since 2010-11.
All you guys, having scarves, Messi jerseys. How many jerseys do you guys have?
I have around 7 to 8 Messi jerseys.
Same around 10.
Around 5-6. Yeah, same around 7-8.
Okay, a quick question. If Messi were to sign an ISL side, what side would you choose?
Northeast United FC. We're from Northeast.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Left foot or vision?
Left foot.
Left foot.
Goal or assist?
Goal.
Barcelona or Argentina?
Barcelona.
Dribble or pass?
Dribble.
Captain Messi, yes or no?
Of course. Yes.
Okay. Court debate, over or no?
Of course. Never existed. PR move. PR move.
So we've got an exciting fan here. Neerav, how are you, man?
Good.
Good. So we're gonna do a quick rapid fire, okay? You ready? Alright. Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Left foot or vision?
Left foot.
Goal or assist?
Goals and no assists.
Barcelona or Argentina?
Barcelona.
Dribble or pass?
Dribble.
Captain Messi, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, it's actually a dream. I always dreamed him. Like, if he'll come to India, I'll definitely visit him. Or, of course, I'll go to Spain and watch him.
So do you prefer Argentina Messi or Barcelona Messi?
Actually, Barcelona Messi would be better. But for Messi, Argentina is more important. Because nothing is more important than your country. So he has won everything after the World Cup. Like, you don't have to win 5 UCLs or anything if you have won World Cup. Because World Cup is everything. Like, Pele has won many World Cup, that's why he's called the best player. Maradona has won 2 World Cup, that's why he's called the best player. So World Cup is more important, but he has also won UCLs. So of course he's the best player.
If you were to describe today's event, how would you describe to a known who doesn't watch football basically?
Doesn't watch football. So it's basically the best player in the world coming to your city. And 2 more players. One is his bodyguard and one is his best friend.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi. Sure, for sure.
Goal or assist?
Goals.
Left foot or vision?
Vision.
Captain Messi, yes or no?
Of course, Captain Messi.
Debate over, yes or no?
Debate is over. If Ronaldo wins the World Cup, then maybe, but it's over.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Damn! Okay, left foot or vision?
Left foot.
Okay, now that you said Ronaldo, is the debate over, yes or no?
No.
Okay, now goal or assist?
Assist.
Captain Messi, yes or no?
Yes.
अगर मेसी तुम्हें देख के वेव कर देता है, what is going to be your reaction? Speechless perhaps?
Yeah.
Okay. What is your best Messi celebration? करके दिखाओ देखो. Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Damn, Ronaldo fan here. Goal or assist?
Goal.
Messi debate over or no?
Yes. Over. No.
It's not for him. Left foot or vision?
Left foot.
तुम लोगों का बेस्ट गोल कौन सा है? Like, what do you admire Messi का गोल जो तुम्हें लगता है कि that's actually the best for me?
That goal versus Athletic Club Bilbao 2015 में that was amazing.
Same 2015 Atletico Bilbao La Liga. For me, it's the free kick he scored against Liverpool.
Guys, show me your best Messi celebration.
Me, because I have big ears.
Is this a really dream come true? Messi, Messi here in New Delhi.
I am one of biggest fan of Lionel Messi. I was seeing Lionel Messi since 2014 World Cup, and I am biggest fan of. It was dream for me, and I have tattoo backside in I have a Messi tattoo in backside me. So I am biggest fan, and it was really like a dream for me. So I am so very excited to see Messi, and it is like a dream for me. जी सर. लियोनेल मेसी ने जो लिवरपूल के अगेंस्ट जो फ्री किक मारी थी, वो मेरे लिए सबसे बेस्ट गोल था उसका.
आपको मेसी से इंट्रोड्यूस किसने कराया? फैमिली, फ्रेंड और मे बी नॉर्मल फुटबॉल?
किसी ने नहीं करवाया. जब मैं फुटबॉल का मतलब शुरू से मैं एक गांव से बिलोंग करता हूं मैं, तो गांव में इतना फुटबॉल का क्रेज नहीं है हमारी तरफ. लेकिन हम जैसे उसका जो फैशन है, उसका जो गोल करने का तरीका है, जिस तरीके से वो खेलता है, उसका जो एटीट्यूड है, जो चीज़ें हैं, वो मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती थी उसकी.
मेसी और रोनाल्डो?
मेसी, ऑलवेज मेसी.
लेफ्ट फुट और विजन?
लेफ्ट फुट.
फ्री किक या सोलो गोल?
फ्री किक.
बार्सिलोना और अर्जेंटीना?
बोथ.
You gotta pick one.
Argentina.
Argentina. Okay, Captain Messi, yes or no?
Captain Messi.
GOAT debate over, yes or no?
Always over. There is no debate GOAT, because Messi is really GOAT. Ronaldo only a athletic like player, not a technical player. Messi is best in the world. Nobody compare with Messi.
Big words coming in from Messi fan, you guys. अगर मेसी आपके सामने आ जाए तो मेसी से क्या बोलोगे?
मैं यही बोलूँगा कि मैं आपका दुनिया में सबसे बेस्ट फैन हूँ. मैं मेरे से बेस्ट फैन कोई भी नहीं है आपका. तभी मैंने उसका टैटू बनवा रखा है यहाँ पे पीछे.
अच्छा,
हाँ, आप दिखा सकते.
हाँ बिल्कुल दिखाइए. भाई मतलब I see you guys getting jerseys. How many jerseys do you guys have?
At this moment, I have 2 jerseys, one of Barcelona and one of Argentina. But at my home, I got a whole bunch of Messi jerseys from his 2006 World Cup jersey, 2011 UCL final, 2019 Barca kit, 2022 Argentina World Cup kit, and 2014 World Cup kit. I got.
Yeah, I also got a plenty of one, 2009, which I'm wearing. Then 2011 also I got, 2015 also. These are of Barca, and then latest of last year, this one black one, and these all are like Messi jersey only. And Argentina jerseys also I got, and Inter Miami jersey. Only PSG jersey I don't have.
Fuck PSG. That was the shittiest club that I ever saw.
Okay, guys. Okay, what if Messi looks at you, waves? What is going to be reaction?
It will be the ultimate thing for me, as I am a Messi fan since I was a kid, about 8 years old. Just looking at Messi is enough for me, and him waving back at me will be like better than my first night.
Best या favorite goal कौन सा है?
2015 against Athletic Club in the Copa del Rey final. Unscientifically impossible goal. Best.
My favorite is 2009 header, that, and also that free kick. It's actually beautiful against Liverpool semi-final.
How do you feel today?
I feel great because this is my 9-year-old's dream come true, and I feel amazing because this man was the reason why I could learn how to read and write. Today is a very special day for me, and I'm very happy. When I was a kid, I couldn't really comprehend how to read and write because I had ADHD. But then, I needed, my brain needed something to focus on. And then came the FIFA World Cup 2010, and I saw him for the first time. His story really inspired me of how he got bullied due to his growth hormone deficiency and how he overcame that. It was really inspiring, and since then I've been pushing. Today I'm at IIT Delhi, and yes, life has been going great. I've been achieving things that I always dreamed of. One of those cornerstone things that you always have, like a North Star, that you can look up to, feel safe. He has always been that for me.
What if Messi really waves at you, looks at you? What's going to happen?
Yeah, I'm just going to wave back and I'm going to scream gracias because that's what I want to give out to him. Just a big thank you. And that's it. Like nothing crazy. Just a big thank you. That's it.
I mean, we all have been watching Messi, right? What is your favorite goal or Messi moment?
I think the fact when, when in the last Copa Americas that he got hurt and he was injured and he was out, and he was just crying at the very last moment and they won, and he didn't even run. He just put his hand between on his face and he just cried. Like, that is such a vulnerable moment, and it really shows us like how this man is still pushing. Like, he got the World Cup, but he's still pushing because that is how much this game means to him, and that is the sort of thing that I want to inculcate in my life.
Really heartbreaking question, but what if Messi retires tomorrow? What is the core memory gonna be?
The core memory is definitely going to be the World Cup, like him coming in and then lifting it up. Like, it's there, it's solidified there in my brain. I can never forget it. So definitely that, and I think like yes, if he retires tomorrow, he deserves the break. He deserves to live a quiet life, a good life.
How do you describe Messi to someone who doesn't even watch football?
The GOAT. Like, you have to know Messi to know football. That is it.
Okay, quick rapid fire. Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Free kick, solo goal.
Free kick.
Goal assist.
Assist.
GOAT debate over or no?
Hard question. I think like we'll get new goats. That's how the world works, you know. It's a balance that keeps going on. So yeah, I will like to keep my mind open.
Barcelona or Argentina?
Argentina, always. I've never been a club person. It's always like one country. This because they don't change, you know, and I don't like that sort of like dynamic where players are changing and then yeah, so definitely Argentina.
Today's event, I mean, it's like a once in a lifetime sort of experience to see, I think, arguably the greatest of all time. You know what I mean? It's really, it's hard to describe in a way because most people, they don't get the opportunity to see Messi, you know what I mean? Most people don't get that opportunity. So seeing this, you have to be, it's really privileged. It's a privilege to see him. And yeah.
I know it's gonna be really fun, and it's like once in a lifetime. So I don't think he's gonna come here for another long bit of time. So yeah.
So when you say once in a lifetime, is this a real dream come true for you guys?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, I've watched Messi since, like 8 years or so. I've always imagined the chance of ever being able to actually see him. I've had chances before, but I never actually got to see him. I think this is really a dream come true.
I've been following football for like 3 years, and I've always thought that I'd see Messi maybe abroad, but never here. So it's really fun. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, is the debate really over for you?
Absolutely. There is no debate. There is no debate. There's no
It's maybe over, maybe not.
Guys, show me your best Messi celebration.
Best Messi celebration have to be this one, the World Cup against
It has to be this one because it has a meaning, a special one.
Okay, quick, rapid fire. Okay, Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Messi.
Free kick or solo goals?
Free kick.
Free kick.
Left foot or vision?
Left foot.
Vision.
Barcelona or Argentina?
Barcelona.
Barca.
Debate over or yes or no?
Over.
Over.
Hey, thank you for your time, buddy. Free kick, solo goals.
Free kick.
Celebration, no celebration.
Celebration.
Which one?
This one.
Okay,
And that shirt one too.
okay. Barcelona or Argentina?
This is tough. I'll go for Barcelona.
Captain Messi, yes or no?
Yes.
Is the debate really over, yes or no?
It was never a debate. It was never a debate. It was media debate.
Messi, Ronaldo?
Messi!
Free kick, solo goals.
Messi!
Free kick.
Free kick, solo goals.
Messi!
Barcelona or Argentina?
Barcelona! First love Barcelona. Visca Barca, Visca Catalunya.
Debate over or no?
Over. After the World Cup, it's over. Messi is the GOAT.
Messi is the GOAT. वो हमेशा भगवान ही रहेगा.
There was no debate.
So guys, this was it. I really had fun. I've been talking to the fans, seeing Messi actually. So it was a dream come true for me as well. It was a hell of a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.